Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a deep look at a smart home cleaning machine designed to offer full automation, powerful suction, and advanced obstacle handling. This is the Dreame L40s Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, a high-performance cleaning system built for busy homes that want real hands-off maintenance. The L40s Ultra stands out with its 19,000 PA suction power, placing it among the strongest robot vacuums available today. This level of suction helps it pull embedded dust, fine debris, and pet hair straight out of carpets while leaving hard floors spotless. Its 100% detangling DuoBrush system is engineered to prevent hair from wrapping around the brushes, which is a huge benefit for homes with shedding pets. The robot can maintain consistent suction without manual cleaning or cutting tangled hairs. One of the major highlights is its auto-empty base station, which automatically clears out the dustbin after each run, giving you weeks of maintenance-free operation. It also includes mop self-cleaning, allowing the mop pads to scrub themselves thoroughly at the base before and after each cleaning cycle. This ensures better hygiene and prevents odor buildup. The robot's extending mops and extending side brush are designed to reach edges and corners effectively, solving one of the most common weak points of robot mops. Its design helps it handle 1.57-inch obstacle clearing, allowing it to climb thresholds, carpets, or transitions without getting stuck. With advanced navigation and real-time mapping, the robot moves intelligently around obstacles, furniture, and tight spaces to deliver consistent coverage. You can control everything through the app, including scheduling, suction levels, water flow, room selection, and map customization. It also supports voice control for easy, hands-free commands. The Dreame L40s Ultra aims to provide a complete cleaning ecosystem you don't have to micromanage. From powerful suction to advanced mop technology, and from self-cleaning functions to obstacle clearing, it's built for users who want strong performance without the daily effort. If you're looking for a modern robot vacuum and mop that packs automation, power, and intelligent design, the Dreame L40s Ultra is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description, and make sure to subscribe for more daily tech reviews.